Hidden in Sandy Hook, there's a nude beach. You know what? New Jersey, you ain't half bad. You got some crazy shit going on. But you know what? You're lovable. What is the issue? What is up, ladies and gents? I just had a beach day. So now I am making my way out of the beach area, and heading home. Kind of got cloudy, and I feel like I got enough sun, so I decided to pack everything up and head home. And this beach that I went to had a clothing optional area. Pretty much the entire beach was clothing optional, which is great. Good fun. I just wanted a place or a beach that was a little bit away from the city. You know, New York has beaches. Brighton Beach is one, Coney Island, all the Rockaways, far Rockaways. You know, some really nice beaches out there. However, I wanted to be out. I wanted a little adventure, I think. Hence why I came out here. Was a little adventure. Now I have to go back to the big bad city, which, an hour and 48 minutes. Well, I'm sure I can do better than that, so we'll give it a go. I'm 100% sure that I can do better than that. US Ranger, beautiful. Got some guys on Harleys here. Cool. Are Indians? All right, my bad. They all look the same. I'm sorry. Whoa, I'm sorry. I shouldn't say that. Oh, spicy vlogger, huh? Another beach area, probably even nicer. Yo, this new helmet of mine, this Arai Defiant-X, gets so much airflow, and yet it's so quiet. I don't even understand. I don't even understand. Man, it's beautiful. It really is. What a crazy little inlet, little area. Great fun, man. Great fun. I was not expecting the nude part. I had no idea. But I thought it was funny, and I was there. So, you know, when in Rome, do as the Romans are doing. It was so much fun. I just sat down and read my book. Oh. Go along this little loop-de-loop, and we'll power out of this. Awesome. Cool. You know what? New Jersey, you ain't half bad. You got some crazy shit going on, but you know what? You're lovable. It's hard to dislike you. You're just too damn lovable. You got a nude beach hidden out in the outskirts of whatever. We're in Sandy Hook, you know. Hidden in Sandy Hook, there's a nude beach. Oh man, okay. Wow. New Jersey, you ain't half bad. I should have wore a hoodie. Oh my god, it's a little cool. And I'm wearing my summer jacket, which gets all of the airflow. And this is such a beautiful little town too. I'm gonna go. Too late to stop there. It's got to keep on moving. I've got all the gas I can need. I'm like such an oddball. Wearing all my gear around here. You know, well, no one wears much gear. That dude I just passed, he had a little, you know, bucket helmet on, which legally is the only thing you really need to wear. But no gloves. He did have boots on. Thank God he had boots on. He wasn't riding in sandals, which I've seen twice already today. Yeah, I'm definitely kind of the oddball. Everyone was like, look at that guy. Oh, jeez. He's one of those guys. Ack-at. And I'm not one of those guys, but I do appreciate good gear. It's so funny, you know, like living in the city, you totally you forget that this is just like an hour outside your door. And what a beautiful little town. It really is. It's awesome. Oh, check that out. Dope. It's for sale too. Oh, speed limit's 50. I should speed up. Barbecue spot? Heck yeah. Yeah, when I was a kid, I wanted a Jeep so bad. I just love a good Wrangler, you know? They're fun. They're just fun. And of course I wanted to live next to a beach, and I wanted to put a surfboard in the back and have like the surfboard hanging out the back, because that's to me what you do with a Jeep, or at least when I was a kid. In a Wawa! They got a Wawa! Dope, dope, dope. I'm hoping it doesn't rain. That would suck. I am not prepared for rain. Oh, I brought some bare essentials. Sunscreen, towel, water, and 2 books. Check that place out. Beach store. Yo, I freaking love it, dude. Anyways, let's end this now, because I'm about to get on the highway, and that'll be stinking boring. So, until next time, guys. Hope you have a great one, and I'll talk to you soon. What is the issue? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We're going to cut you a break here, okay? All the moving violations, we're going to waive all those, okay? We're going to just give you a summons for the not being able to exhibit our registration card.
Oh, okay.
Very minor.
Can I mail that?
Yeah, if you go on the back, there's actually a website right there.
Yeah, I can. Okay.
Keep it all in the lane of traffic, all right?
Yes. Absolutely. Yes, sir.
Take care.
Yep.